So this is a wee video for the finance team. So uh, we're going to cover here uh, aged payables. So this is a report, and when you open this report up, uh, you can filter this many ways. So you can say I want it filtered by invoice date, aged by invoice date. Uh, Under here, you can go today, but I would imagine we would be doing this dynamically. So we would say end of, sorry, minus 1 month. Yeah, minus 1 month. So in other words, that's end of month minus 1 month. So that's the end of last month, irrespective of what day you run this on. You can also say summary only. So whenever we submit this, this would give the financial controller that's processing it a list of payments. So you'll see here we've got some. Obviously, we've been doing some testing here, so there's some that are over 60 days, some that are over 120, and that gives you a report. Uh, you can run this again, for example. You could say take off the summary, and we could run it again, which means it will give us individual lines. So, for example, here under this 5S supply, we've got uh, different purchase order numbers there. Under this one here for a Roco, we've got purchase order 4847. Uh, it is of note that uh, payables only come up here whenever the goods have been receipted. Uh, so you take that 60091. So if I go here to the purchasing team, purchase order entry, so let's just see this here. Approved, Jubilee clips, activity, receipts. So you'll see there that this particular order has been received, uh, albeit I don't think fully received. Anyhow, that's not the detail we're trying to do. Age payables is what we're looking for, and depending on how you run the report, you can see what payments are due, and hopefully that'll be of assistance to the finance team. Now, one final thing with all of these things, if I go back to the finance and go to age payables, in here, uh, if I click end of day Friday or twice a week, uh, so let's say end of Friday. So that means coming in on a Monday morning. Uh, if I go send by email and put in Jonathan at MC hyphen, so we can put in here, obviously give the title the same name as the report. Want it in PDF body, so I think I set this up for 2 o'clock. Can't really remember. So whenever I hit send, uh, that report will now automatically get emailed to Johnny and Arlene each Friday. They can be turned off, but for the kickoff of Epicor, it's good maybe to have a kind reminder that you've got something to go and look at and process. Hopefully that helps.